So this is weed barrier cloth. We have built this bed and put this gorgeous Sylvester palm in with about 8 foot of trunk height. We've got a few fronds at the bottom that are shocking. That is completely normal. We will remove those, but not right away. So we're putting this weed barrier cloth down, and then we're going to cover this bed with Alabama marble, which is a white marble. Then we walk just down here to this next Sylvester that we have. Same thing on this one. We're having a little shocking in the bottom fronds, but take a look at that white Alabama marble. Isn't that gorgeous? We will finish all of these beds with some bigger stones. Some stones that are going to be as much as 3 feet by 2 feet.